How to fix QuickBooks Company File in use error. Here are the instant solution. Method 1. If error mentions another user is doing something. Method 2. If error constantly mentions a particular user. Method 3. Error. Waiting for company file, or company file in use. Please wait. Case A. When the error appears on a single workstation. Method 1. Make a new user account in QuickBooks. Method 2. Make a new Windows user account with admin rights. Case B. When the error appears on multiple workstations. Method 1. Ensure hosting is correctly configured on the server and workstations. Method 6. Restart QuickBooks services on the host computer. Method 7. Run the QuickBooks Tool Hub on the host computer. Still facing the problem? Read our article on our website at www.a2autocare.com or call us at this number. Thank you for watching the video.